Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the Samsung Galaxy A23. Since it has been released for a bit, we want to see if it's worth considering and what other users are saying thus far. So in the box you will find its charger, along with its USB-C cable for charging and data transfer. The SIM and SD card ejector tool, as expected, no headsets, and then its standard user manual. Depending on your region, you can get the A23 in awesome blue, black, white or peach. This smooth glossy phone has Gorilla 5 glass protection, which weighs a little bit above average of 195 grams. The Gorilla Glass is a plus, claiming to be 4 times stronger than usual designs. However, I would still recommend a screen protector. On the left side it has the SIM card tray that accommodates 2 SIM cards and micro SD. The bottom it has the 3.5mm jack, where you can plug in headphones that can be purchased separately. We have the USB-C connector and the loudspeaker with the average sound output of -27.6 LUFS. On the right side of the phone we have the volume rocker and the power button, which is also a fingerprint reader. The rear cameras consists of 50 megapixels is the main one, 5 megapixels ultra wide, a macro one of 2 megapixels, and then the depth camera of 2 megapixels. And of course the picture and video quality will be tested at the end of this preview. Then we have the 8 megapixel selfie camera, which can be clearly seen in a teardrop notch. The A23 has a 5000 mAh battery, meaning for this device it will last 2 full days on a single charge with average use. With a 15-watt charger, the phone charges from 0 to 100 in 1 hour and 43 minutes. However, the phone does support 25-watt charger for faster charging. The storage consists of 64 GB, and you can span that using the micro SD for up to 1 TB. The RAM of this phone is 4 GB. The 6.6-inch 1080p display with up to 120Hz refresh rate consists of a PLS LCD unit, meaning the screen can get bright enough to see in harsh sunlight of the afternoon or under bright studio lights, crystal clear image quality and adjustable viewing angles. The Galaxy A23 is launched with the OS of Android 12. However, Samsung promises to support this phone for 4 years of security updates, and it will get 3 OS upgrades, taking it to Android 15 to make sure the Galaxy A23 is here for the long haul. Many who use this phone for a bit claim that gaming isn't all bad due to its octa-core processor and its Snapdragon chipset. Others say there aren't too many noticeable issues until you open multiple apps simultaneously for it to start lagging. On the Samsung website, users have given this phone 3.6 out of 5. Androidauthority similarly 3.5 out of 5, crediting its update commitment that would peak Android 15, crisp display and battery life. Now let's have a look at the picture and video quality. That brings us to the end of this video. Thanks for watching, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.